Have you ever looked at a standard car in a parking lot and thought that it just did not have enough personality or soul for your taste? You are definitely not alone in that feeling, because that is exactly where the world of custom hand-built vehicles comes into play for enthusiasts across the country. When we talk about handmade cars, we are really talking about unique machines that are assembled by carefully putting together various aftermarket components and specialized parts to create something that simply does not exist in any dealership showroom. Most of the time, these vehicles are the result of a very specific vision or a long-term passion project where the builder wants to stand out from the crowd and express their own style. You will notice that these cars often feature eye-catching bodywork and high-end aesthetic details that highlight the incredible craftsmanship and man-hours that went into the build. Everything about a hand-built car is centered around what you, as the owner, expect from the driving experience and how you actually plan to use the vehicle, whether it is for cruising down the coast or hitting a local car show. In the United States, we have plenty of specialized shops and custom builders that can take your dream and turn it into a physical reality by sourcing the right frame and engine components to match your needs. However, you have to keep in mind that there are very strict national standards for vehicle safety and construction that are regulated by the Department of Transportation and local state laws. If you do not meet those specific safety requirements and pass the necessary inspections, it is going to be impossible to get your car registered for the street or get a valid license plate. If your hand-built creation does not get that official registration and title approval, you are going to be limited to using it only on private property or closed tracks away from public traffic lanes. Building your own ride is an incredible journey, but making sure it follows the rules of the road is the only way you will truly get to show it off to the world. It is all about balancing that creative freedom with the practical safety measures that keep everyone on the road safe while you enjoy your one-of-a-kind machine. It takes a lot of patience and research to get a custom build to be street legal, so make sure you are checking your local regulations before you start bolting things together.